been 50 years since the last human voices echoed through the streets, alleys, and hallways of planet Earth. But the words of man haven't been completely silenced. After humans disappeared, tens of thousands of domestic parrots escaped into the wild and still retain the words and phrases taught to them by their vanished owners.
Parrots are considered one of the smartest creatures on Earth now, up with the great apes and dolphins.
Some parrots have learned several hundred words and might keep that vocabulary even without humans to interact with.
A companion parrot that escaped into the wild might have a lifespan, say, of 60 years. Then it'd be very plausible that 50 years later you could still hear human noises in the wild.
So for now, some of mankind's words will survive. The urban jungle is now just jungle. But former cities still echo with familiar words. Although these parrots have never interacted with humans, their ancestors did, and some remnants of human speech have been passed down to them. But our languages will not be immortal. While parrots can pass on human words to their chicks, it has no value for the survival of the species.
I would think the drop-off would be more than 90% per generation. 200 years after the last human, it would be highly unlikely to expect to hear human vocalization in parrots in the wild.